Hi lovelies! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make your stew with stockfish without frying. This method is very healthy, especially for those who are trying to avoid fried foods and also limit too much consumption of meat. Guys, this stew tasted super delicious. Why not come with me and let me show you how I made this, and let's get started. For this recipe, we are going to be using fresh tomatoes and red bell pepper, okay? Make sure it is properly clean. Then go ahead and cut. Deseed the tomatoes and red bell pepper, but this is optional. You can decide to blend it together with the seed. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and also turn on your notification bell for you to be the first to be notified any day, anytime a video is being uploaded. And we are done with prepping the red bell pepper, onions and ginger. So next, now transfer into the blender and let it do its job. Now we are done blending the tomatoes. Pour into the pot. Wow, it looks so nice and smooth. Okay, we have different ways of cooking this no fried tomato stew. Okay, this is my own way. Now pour some vegetable oil, stir very well and allow to cook until it reduces in quantity and the oil starts to float on top. Once you see that the oil is beginning to flow on top, it shows that the tomato is done. But make sure you keep an eye on it to avoid burning, okay? Cook on a medium heat. While we are waiting for the tomato to get done, let's go ahead and cook the stockfish. The stockfish is already washed and clean. Add some water. Now let's go ahead to season it up a bit, but this is totally optional. I added some seasoning cubes, some little salt to taste, okay? Then cover and allow to cook until it is soft. Let's check on the stockfish now. It is done. Transfer into a plate and allow to cool off a bit because I'll be using my hands to shred into pieces. But this is totally optional, but you can decide to add them in chunks, okay? The full list of ingredients will be dropped in the description box or comment section. Please grab yours and enjoy this delicious recipe. MIRA'S kitchen. Now that we are done with the stockfish set aside, let's check on the tomatoes. Yeah, I was checking on it from time to time, so at this point you can see we are done. The tomato is well cooked now, so I went ahead and added in the stockfish and give it a proper stir. Now go ahead to season it up with some curry powder. Add to your taste, okay? Now add some oregano, some seasoning cubes. I will be adding some crayfish. This is totally optional, okay? Add to your taste. Fresh pepper. Now go ahead and give it a stir until everything is well combined. Once we are done mixing, I added the stock water. Yeah, So after that, give it a properly stir, or if you feel that it's too thick, feel free to add more water or stock water. Once done, cover and allow to cook until it boils well or for 3 to 4 minutes. Some minutes later, let's check on the stew. Wow, this looks so nice. Give it a proper stir and turn off the cooker. It is ready. You can enjoy this delicious stew with white rice, spaghetti, or in whichever way you prefer. This tasted so super delicious. Hope you try out this recipe. Thank you guys for watching and see you in our next one. Bye.